Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So if you were facing a battery drain issue after the OneUi 7 update, so that is now fixed. Yes, you heard it right, the battery drain issue is now fixed on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So right after the OneUi 7 update, I was facing a battery drain issue on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But then Samsung released a security patch update in which this issue was fixed to much extent. And recently with the June and July security patch update, it is fixed to much extent. As you guys can see, I'm getting a 1 day and 10-hour battery on full charge on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra now, and it is my daily driver phone. So you can also fix it by simply going into the settings and tapping on software update, then tap on download and install. Simply install the latest security patch update from Samsung. If you guys are afraid of getting some bugs or issues, so don't worry at all. It will fix all the bugs and issues and the battery drain issue that was there before with the OneUi 7 update. So I will highly recommend you guys to update it on the latest security patch to avoid the battery drain issue. As I am getting a full day battery easily on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But still, if you are facing some lags or issues, you can do another trick. For that, you will have to first of all power off your device. Once your device is completely powered off, you have to long press your volume button and power button at once. Keep holding both the buttons until your device goes into the recovery mode. You have to keep pressing buttons. Keep holding until your device goes into the recovery mode. And now once your device is in the recovery mode, you can release the buttons. To navigate up or down, you can use the volume button. And to select anything, you can use the power button. From here, select wipe cache partition and select it using your power button. Select yes, and now simply reboot system now. It will clear all the cache that was in your device before, and hopefully it will fix the lag and some issues that were there before. As you guys can see, now the device is a lot more smoother while opening and closing of the apps. And that's a wrap for today's video. So try out these tricks to solve the battery drain issue and the lag issue on your device. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates. Also let me know in the comment section that have you got the July security patch update on your phone or not yet.